So welcome to the Two Crew Cressy Kit. We got a dirt bike. And it doesn't like running. Yeah. Also, apparently the exhaust has a giant hole in it. There it goes. Shut off again. Well, this is an old Baja Motorsports DR 49 cc's, low horsepower. Does have a fuel switch for like, I don't know, reserve tank or something. I just realized why they say check the bolts for the swing arms and stuff. I got a loose one. But yeah, the tires. This one still holds air. The back one. Whole split. Not good. But I'm gonna try and get around it. I wanna ride this summer. Film it at all, but I kinda hosed it down. It didn't start, so I gave up on it for the night. Came back the next day, fired it up. Ran good enough. And then I did the old stick something over the intake. Suck whatever's stuck in it through. Now it likes idling. I gotta be careful because I'm riding on the rim. Don't tell my dad. It killed itself. Oh, it's still in gear, doofus. I gotta do a little cleaning up on this girl. After letting it cool down for a bit, so it doesn't cause any problems. That finally rested. And watch, as I flip this, that's the choke. It used to be the opposite way around. It would die without choke. I'm gonna clean it, maybe do a time lapse. I gotta let it cool down. I'm a giant. This little 49cc don't know what's coming. New tires, and I'm gonna rip this thing. I hope I'm in frame. This is our dirt bike, and our dirt bike could be ridden by Bergamat in these socks. But of course, it's cooled down already. And I haven't been inside for that long now, so it's up to be cool. I don't care, it's already cool. Okay, I'm going to hopefully steam frame when I say this. Get the bucket with the brush and some soap and make it look clean good. Yeah. Maybe pull out the old pressure washer. I'm time lapsing. Yeah. Let's see if it starts. Oh, I forgot the soaked intake. Choke. gonna have to sit and let the water get out of it. The Burger Man signing off. Salad. Well, alrighty, I just wanted to let you know I put the new tire on. I had to fix the flat because I fucked up the tube. But she holds and she does nasty burnouts. Alright, Cole, you wanted to see my dirt bike? I'm riding it. It's an old Baja Motorsports 49cc. And I am too big for this dirt bike. Yeah, this is totally legal. But yeah, the girl hers. She's a nice one. I just realized I was filming the top. I just realized. Yeah. I need an oil change. And just the well, guys, dirt bike runs and drives, and it's fun. Hello, guys. So lots of time has went by, but the clips you've seen where I was riding around my dirt bike with the new tire stuff, it went great. Except for during the install, I was dumb and I got the entirety of the tire off first, and then I had to take it off to put the tube back in. Well, during that process, I ripped a hole in the tube, and within about a week and a half of me riding it around, the tube will never hold air again. So, got a new one. I have to install it, but it's fine. Don't rush things.